चीफ जस्टिस पाकिस्तान जस्टिस आसिफ सईद खोसा लाहौर में तकरीब से खिताब कर रहे हैं।
Article 25 of the Constitution says that all citizens are equal before the law, but special provisions can be made for the protection of women and children. And this is what is relevant today vis-a-vis the special courts for gender-based violence. When we're talking about creating or establishing gender-based violence courts in Pakistan, this is not an isolated development. As a matter of fact, in the last about 6 months, the senior judiciary of Pakistan, I don't want to call it superior judiciary, which is generally called, the senior judiciary of this country has launched 5-pronged initiatives, and establishing special courts in respect of gender-based violence is just one part of those initiatives. The first initiative, very briefly, I will take you through these initiatives so that you know the context in which these special courts are being established and the judges are being trained. The first part of the initiative, we had decided that there cannot be any justice in a court of law unless the testimony is that as I'm speaking on this microphone, the computer will type the whole thing itself. So just imagine the millions of man-hours saved in just through use of technology. You will speak and the computer will type. And then you go through the text. If the computer has committed mistakes in picking up your accent, you can correct it. Anything that you want to improve, you want to delete, everything is available. You pick one paragraph from here, put it somewhere else, and it will be done within no time. This is revolutionary. This will change the whole culture, how a judge functions in this country. And this. So this is again capacity building. So this was the fourth area in which the senior judiciary of Pakistan has already started working in the last 6 months, and it is showing results. The fifth was the most important part. It is the delay reduction. And all of you know about the model criminal courts that were created in every district. I'm very happy to inform you, I personally monitor these courts on a daily basis. And as I was sitting here, I received the report for today. And according to the report received till today, in the last about 96 working days of these model criminal courts, 10,600 cases of murder and narcotics have already been decided. We are talking about trials. These are not appeals that you argue and the judge decides. Full-fledged trials. 10,600 trials, and not of ordinary cases, murder cases and narcotics cases. They have been finally decided in 96 days. Encouraged by this, we introduced the civil appellate model courts. We also introduced the magistrate model courts. And these civil appellate model courts and magistrates model courts were introduced only 11 days ago. And the results that I have received while sitting here, that till today, in these 11 days, these two courts have decided more than 5,000 cases. So this is happening in front of our eyes. This is a silent revolution that is taking place. And it's all because of you, because of the district judiciary, because of the lawyers cooperating, because of the police department fully cooperating, because of the health department fully cooperating, because of the prison department that is fully cooperating. And that is the essence of all these model courts. There is no change of law. There is no change of procedure. There's no change of judges, change of lawyers. It's the same law, the same procedure, same judges, same lawyers. And the results are absolutely amazing. We have fine-tuned the system to eliminate possibilities of adjournments and delays. And that is why the cases which used to take about 3 years to conclude are being concluded in 3 days. A miracle is happening, and it's all because of your hard work, the judges and lawyers, and assisted by all the other departments of the government in these areas. We are expanding. Every month judges are being added, and new courts are being envisioned and being put to place. The new courts that we have put in place now is the gender-based violence courts. The next is the child protection courts, the rent model courts, the family model courts. So inshallah,